Mercedes, in a controversial move, has decided to replace the 2024 AMG C63's V8 engine with a plug-in hybrid four-cylinder setup. This has caused some concern among AMG enthusiasts who fear that other high-powered Mercedes vehicles could potentially undergo similar downsizing. However, there is no need to fret, as the all-new 2023 Mercedes-AMG S63 E Performance retains its powerful twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine while incorporating a permanently excited synchronous electric motor. This results in a remarkable 791 horsepower and 1055 pound-feet of torque output. The tremendous amount of power generated by this amalgamation propels the colossal sedan from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a claimed 3.2 seconds and onward to an electronically limited top speed of 180 miles per hour. The V8 engine alone delivers 603 horsepower and 664 pound-feet of torque, which are transmitted through a 9-speed automatic transmission. The V8 engine features a hot V setup, with the turbochargers situated between the cylinder banks, which claims to enhance responsiveness. Additionally, the V8 engine is equipped with a belt-driven starter generator, which is integrated into the 400-volt electrical system. Meanwhile, the electric motor is positioned on the rear axle and is mated to a 2-speed transmission and an electronically controlled limited-slip rear differential. The second gear becomes operational around 87 miles per hour. The electric motor can generate 188 horsepower for up to 10 seconds or a continuous 94 horsepower. Although the gas and electric powertrains utilize separate transmissions, the all-wheel drive system permits the e-motor's power to be transmitted to the front wheels, enabling the S63 to function as an all-wheel drive EV. The battery pack is situated above the rear axle and has a 13.1 kWh capacity, providing a driving range of roughly 20 miles. Mercedes claims that the positioning of the motor and battery on the rear axle results in superior weight distribution and handling. In conclusion, the new 2023 Mercedes-AMG S63 E Performance is an impressive machine, which retains its powerful V8 engine while incorporating innovative hybrid technology, providing a phenomenal driving experience that will leave enthusiasts in awe.